All right. Oh, give me 1 second. Go ahead and give me the mask. It's right there. She's got one on. I'll be respectful and put this generic one on. If I can open it up. Damn generic one, man. Okay. I'll be respectful and put one right back on for you.
Oh, you're all right.
I normally don't wear it, but we got them last night and we were in Zanesville's hospital, so.
I'm over
Not
it.
for us, but, huh?
But I'm over it.
You already had it?
No.
I was about to say, I was like, what?
I'm over the mask.
I think I had it back in November. I really do.
You're saying that.
Me, her, and our son were we all three got sick, and we all three had the cough for a little over a month. And he was the only one that got seen by the doctor, because I'm stubborn. I'll do anything and everything and not care too much. And I think because they told us they couldn't determine. I hate Zanesville's freaking masks. Everything Zanesville's pathetic. But they told us that they couldn't tell us what he had, but he had a severe upper respiratory infection. So,
and you know, that seems to be the way it worked.
Yep.
Everybody's flu was negative.
Yep.
But they were still having the cough.
See, they tested him because he had originally, way back in the days, tested for RSV before. So they swabbed him for flu, pneumonia, RSV. They did everything they could.
Yep.
Oh, he don't have no severe upper respiratory infection.
Yep.
And I think he still has a little bit of that wheeze that he had back then. I mean, but we're both asthmatics, so. All I need from you is the mileage of the vehicle.
Oh, okay.
I think. Let me make sure. Hey. Window down. Hand me my phone. There's a button on the bottom that opens it up. Yep, there you go. Unplug. Thank you. I just want to make sure that this was fully, yeah. All right, give me 1 second. Yeah, you're covered in full.
Okay,
Give me one moment here. I gotta. You trying to see? Really? Okay, you know what? Screw it. This thing don't work right anyway. All right, mileage.
55,500.
All right, thank you very much. I'm sorry it took so long. Yep, not a problem. Stay safe.